Welcome everyone. Are you looking for a super simple way to embed PDFs on your WordPress site? In this video, you will discover 5+ powerful PDF embedding features that you must have in your PDF embedder. Let's check them out. For this tutorial, we will embed PDF with EmbedPress and walk through all important features. Though you can embed everything with a single widget of EmbedPress, for PDF embedding it has a dedicated separate widget for smoother experience. From EmbedPress, open the Elements tab. Toggle to enable the Embed PDF widget for both Elementor and Gutenberg. With EmbedPress, embedding a PDF in the Gutenberg editor takes just one click. Let us take a quick look at how it works. Open a new post or page. Click the plus icon within the content area. In the search bar, type EmbedPress and select the EmbedPress PDF block from the list. Click on Media Library, choose the PDF file you want to embed, and it will be embedded instantly. You should check out the PDF Appearance Customization feature. Adjust the width and height from the block settings on the right. Also, you can check out the Viewer Style and Theme Customization feature. You can adjust the toolbar position, and there are also other handy features like presentation mode, print or download, copy text, rotate, draw and more. In the default selection tool, you will find additional features such as the text tool and hand tool. Additionally, you can modify the default scrolling behavior and enable or disable the Powered by feature. Once you are done, click Save. Your PDF will now be visible just as you set it up. In the EmbedPress dashboard to customize color. From the General tab, scroll to Global Embed iframe and enable PDF Custom Color. Pick your brand color and click Save Settings. Enable Document Custom Branding and upload your logo and personalize the PDF viewer. This is one of the demanding features for embedding PDFs. Try to get a PDF embed plugin that is compatible with all page builders. With EmbedPress, you can effortlessly embed PDFs in the Elementor. Search for EmbedPress PDF in the widget panel. Drag and drop the widget into your desired section. Under Content Settings, click the media icon and upload your PDF. EmbedPress will automatically display the PDF on your page. With EmbedPress, you can elevate your PDF presentations by converting them into interactive 3D flipbooks. Switch to Flipbook mode in Elementor, refine the toolbar, zoom and extra features. Add your logo in the Branding tab, adjust its placement and choose a preset or go custom to match your style. The PDF viewer in EmbedPress comes with a powerful toolbar packed with essential controls. You can enable handy features like presentation mode, print or download, copy text, rotate, draw, and more. Under Control Settings, choose your default selection tool and scrolling behavior. You can also turn the toolbar on or off, decide its placement, and adjust other settings to give your visitors the best viewing experience. Once you are done, click Publish. Your fully responsive, beautifully embedded PDF will be live for your site visitors to enjoy. You can see that the 3D Flipbook feature integrates seamlessly with the embedding. Which PDF embed feature is essential to you? Let us know. Like, share, and subscribe. Happy embedding!